Hey friends, if you wish to zip and unzip files and folders in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. It's not very difficult. So here's a folder. Right click on it and select compress to zip file to zip it. And a zip file will be created at the same location. To unzip it, right click on it and select extract all and then click on extract all. So the extracted file will also be created in the same folder, but there is a better and faster way. Download this tool called WinRAR. Okay, I use it personally. And then go to this one and then click on download WinRAR. You don't need the paid version, just a free one. So click on download WinRAR. Okay, and then click on open to install it, and then just click install and select all these file types and click on OK and done. Now to extract any folder, to compress any folder, right click on it, select WinRAR and then add to archive and then just click on OK. Okay, it will create an archive, but it would be in the RAR format. So you can also change it. You can click on add to archive and you can change the format to zip from here and click on OK and it will create it in the zip format. To extract it, just right click on it and select WinRAR and then select extract files and then click on OK and yes to all, and it will extract it instantly. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.